Hi everyone, welcome to Melissa's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very moist banana and apple muffin. Very easy, super quick, and your family will enjoy it. So we have here in front of us all the bowl and equipment. We have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg powder, about 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. We have 2 cups vegetable oil. You can use any oil you use at home. I use rice bran oil, 1 cup of sugar, 4 whole eggs, about 6 ripe banana. You mash it with the potato masher, and about 4 medium-sized apple. Just chop them up down. Okay, firstly we're gonna add in the flour to the mixing bowl, and then we're gonna add in all the other dry ingredients. So we have here the salt, baking soda, baking powder, nutmeg, and cinnamon. So add them all in. And using a whisk, we're just gonna mix it all in. So very super quick, super easy, and nice, delicious, moist muffin to feed your family, especially all those teenagers that are hungry all the time and needed food. So put in another bowl, just put in the vegetable oil. So I have 1 bowl dry ingredient and 1 bowl all the wet ingredients. So we're going to put this in, the oil in here, and then in there we're going to add in the sugar. If you don't want it so sweet, you can cut down the sugar. So I'm just going to mix this in with the wooden spoon. And I'm going to stir in the 4 eggs. So we have here the eggs, and we're going to put it all in. And then the vanilla essence, 2 teaspoons of that. Okay, so we can mix it in. We are going to mix, just make a well in the middle of the dry ingredient bowl where your flour and other dry ingredients are, and we're going to put in slowly the wet ingredient. And we're going to mix everything up. So we're just going to mix it in gently. Once it's all mixed up, we're going to add in the chopped apples, and then the banana as well. We mix it in, and then we add in the apples. So we have here the mashed up banana. Just going to pour everything in. Okay, so now it's all mixed in. So make sure you preheat your oven to 200 degrees fan bake, and then line your muffin tray with the muffin cup. With an ice cream scoop, we're just going to put in about a scoop at a time. So here you go, all the muffin batter has been put into a muffin cup and all ready for the oven. The oven's been heated up at 200 degrees Celsius fan bake. We managed to make 26 muffins. So the rest of the muffin, they are empty. Make sure you put some water in it so that it will help for even baking. So this is our banana apple muffin all cooked. Yeah, take about 15-20 minutes. Make sure you turn the tray around halfway through the cooking. And yeah, so here it is. Just gonna try one. It's really nice and soft. Looks delicious. That one. Very nice. So I hope you enjoyed today's baking, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and look forward to see you again next time.